Hey friends, welcome back. So today I have a box opening of a doll. I've wanted this doll for a long time. I finally ordered it and it took a long time and then it was lost and then I got a refund, so then I turned around and reordered the doll because I really wanted it. And so here we go. It came in just now and I'm so excited. I don't know how the lighting is or anything, but I'm just too excited to wait to work on lighting. I'm just going to go ahead and start opening this. I may need to, watch out Phoebe, I may need to turn it so I can open the other end. This doll's from Amazon. I just thought she was cute. And I've already named her. I've had her name picked out before I even ordered her the first time. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. This is some kind of bag. Alright. I can push that off to the side and oh, that's her head there. So oh. Alright, so here I'm going to open up the bag. It's a Pinky Reborn doll. I've never gotten a doll, I ordered lots of dolls on Amazon, and I've never gotten one in a bag like this before. Interesting. It's like a canvas bag, like a, huh. And that's printed on there. That's interesting. I don't know what I would do with the bag, except maybe just store some doll stuff in it. Alright, here we go. Well, I'm really having trouble. Oh, her legs are big. I think she's big. That's why she's having trouble coming out. Whoa, look at there. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Phoebe, do you see how cute she is? What do you think, Phoebe? Oh, she is a cutie. Oh, I like her skin color. It's not all pale. Let's see. Take her little bags off her legs. And so she came with a passy. Oh, that's a new type of passy. I've never gotten that kind before. Phoebe, that's not for you, baby. she probably thinks it's a TOI for her. She loves her TOI. So it came with a little bottle. And then it came with this little passy. I've never gotten one like that before. That's what it is, Phoebe. It's a passy for the doll. Huh, interesting. It's a little kitty cat. Alright, let's check her out. Oh gosh, she is cute. She's nice and big too. Oh, she has really cute hair. Oh, she is cute. Look at there, Phoebe. Look how cute she is. She's got fat little chubby arms. Let's see if I can pull her clothing down just a little. really love her complexion. It's not so chalky white or anything like that. She actually has color to her. Oh, so she's cute. Okay, I'm gonna pick her up for just a second. Phoebe will entertain you for a minute. Oh, I like her hair. It's really, really silky soft. Huh. Okay, well here she is. Watch out, Phoebe. Here she is, and she is really just squishy and feels really good. What do you think, Phoebe? Do you like her? She came with a little birth certificate that I won't fill out. I never do that kind of stuff. Excuse me. Yeah, let me see if I can push her up a little bit more so you can see all of her. So, she's pretty big. She's chunky. Her legs are chunky. Her arms are all chunky. And her just face is just adorable. Her head's, you know, soft. It's a cute little outfit too. So her name is Roxy, R-O-X-Y, and I just have had that name picked out for her. I think she's really, really cute. Do you think she's cute, Phoebe? What do you think? We'll have to go change her clothes. Let's see, we're gonna take a look at her body here. Oh, she has a nice body. So she has full arms, and her legs do move. They're a little hard to move. A lot of times new dolls are like that until you know, work them some. Let me just turn her over and see how to undo her outfit here. Well, it buttons all the way down, but then it's still cloth there, so you'd have to take her out of it. Oh wow, she is so cute. Oh, I just love her. I wish it said in this little outfit, like what size the outfit is, but it doesn't say that. But I'm thinking it's going to be bigger than a 0 to 3. Maybe even like a 3 to 6 month maybe. Because she is pretty solid here. She's 24 inches tall. And she looks pretty solid there. She's not really weighted too much. I mean, I don't feel any weight to her other than just her body and her arms. So I might go in and add some weight to her at some point. But she's got lots of fat rolls. What was that my dad said on the video of my mom opening her doll? He said, well, look at that fat little booger. So that's probably what he would say about her. Well, Roxy, you are cute. I'm going to have to get some clothes out for you and see what size clothes you wear. But her hair is really pretty. Oh, it's gorgeous. It feels so good. Her eyelashes are pretty. And, oh, her eyes are like, I would say they're probably like a dark gray blue, maybe. I really would like to have a brown-eyed doll with brown hair. but I think they're more of a dark gray, and that's what color hair my boys have. I mean, eyes my boys have. That their dad, Jody, and both boys have grayish eyes. And it's just got really cute little feet. I'm trying to get it where y'all can see the feet there. Alright, I think I'm gonna go get an outfit and come put some clothes on her. Okay, I got two different 3 to 6. Let's see. You know, I don't know if that will even fit. And I wanted to put a diaper on her, so I don't know what size she wears, so I'm gonna try. I think that one's too small. That was a size 3 diaper. Let me try a size 4. Oh yeah, this might fit. And I have it on backwards, of course. Yeah, I think this will fit. She's a big baby. Wow, she's big. And she's so cute. Okay, so let me try this little outfit on her. Oh, it's got snaps. Good. Thought it had buttons there for a minute in the back, and I was gonna be like, oh, if I can. I have trouble with buttons. I can do snaps, I guess. I don't think that's gonna go over her that way. Let's try the other way. I do have some clothes in this size. Remember I told y'all about that haul, that clothes haul that I got really cheap. Went through and picked out what I wanted. It wasn't very many newborn clothes in it. It was some 3 to 6 months. I mean, it was a few 0 to 3 months, but it was a lot of 3 to 6 and 6 to 9 months clothes. Oh, this is going to be cute on her. I think that color looks good on her. Ah. I like this little outfit because it shows her fat rolls. Fat rolls are cute on a baby, not so much on me. Oh, look at that. That is really cute on her. And she has full arms and full legs, so things like that will work for her. So there you go, Roxy. I'm going to pick her up again. Oh, she's just so cute. I love that little face. Oh, her hair is really good too. I just need to brush through it and style it some, but there we go. I wanted to share my Roxy with you guys as I was opening her. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all so much, and I hope you all have a great day.